Hi, one Donadal. Today I am going to explain the construction of an involute for square. Okay, here the given problem that draw the involute of a square of 30 mm side and draw the tangent and normal to the curve at a point 60 mm from the center of a square. It is the given problem. We need to draw the square with 30 mm. Okay, first draw the square with 30 mm. Okay, first I am drawing the square with 30 mm. Okay, it is the square with 30 mm side. Okay, next use the notation A, B, C and D. Okay, next similarly draw the extends the side, every side is some distance. I am extended first BC, next CD, next AD, next BA. Okay, next A as starting point, next B as center. By using compass, BA as radius, draw the arc by intersecting the side BC at one point. That point is known as P1. Next, similarly, C as center and CP1 as radius, draw the arc. It will intersect the CD line at one point. That point is known as P2. Next, similarly, D as center and P2 as DP2 as radius, okay, draw the arc. It will intersect CD at one point. That point is known as P3. Next, similarly, AP3 as radius, draw the arc. It will intersect the point, the side AB at one point, that is P4. Here we have to check the distance from A to P4 is 120 mm because 4 sides into 30 mm. Okay, like that need to draw. Okay, next we need to draw the involute. The curve should be drawn in smooth way. Like this we need to draw the involute. Okay, after completing the drawing of involute, we need to give the dimensions. Here the square, the given length is 30 mm. Okay, is the 30 mm. Next we need to draw the tangent and normal to the given curve. For that, first we need to find the center. First, for finding center, I am drawing diagonals by joining B and D and A and C. The two diagonals intersect at one point. That point is center of the square. Next, by using compass, the given tangent and normal at 60 mm from the center of the square. So that from center of the square with radius 60 mm, measure the 60 mm with compass. Okay, by using center, cut the arc. It intersects the curve at one point. That point is named as M. Okay, next join M to C, because here the curve P1 to P2, the center for P1 to P2 arc is C. So that join M to C. It is the normal to the curve, and draw the perpendicular to this normal, will get tangent. It is the tangent, and this one is normal. Okay, next we need to give the dimensions for the tangent curve from the radius center. Okay, like this we need to give the dimensions. Okay, it is involute of a square. Okay, here the distance from this line to this line is 40. Into 30, that equals to 120 mm. Okay, the total length from A to B is 120. Please check. Okay, like this we need to draw the involute. For this, first we need to draw the square with given length, that is 30 mm side. Next, draw the extension line from BC and CD and AT and BA. Okay, next the starting point A. Next, B as center with BA radius, draw the arc. It will intersect this line at one point. That point is named as P1. Next, similarly, C as center, C P1 as radius, draw the arc. It will intersect the CD line at one point. That point is known as P2. Next, D as center, D P2 as radius, draw the arc. It will intersect the AD line at one point, that is P3. Next, similarly, A as center, A P3 as radius. Okay, draw the arc. It will intersect the BA line at one point. It is known as P4. Like this we need to draw the involute of a given object. Next, need to draw the tangent and normal. For that, the given draw the tangent and normal at a point 60 mm from the center of the curve. For this, we identified center by joining the diagonals. Okay, from center with radius 60 mm and drawn on arc. It will intersect at this point. That point is known as M. Next, join M to the C, because C is the center for arc P1 P2. So that we have to join M to C. It is the normal to the curve, and perpendicular to the normal is known as tangent. Okay, it is about construction of involute of a square. Okay, thanks for watching.